12. Today's topic for discussion is preparation of final accounts without adjustments. That is, preparation of trading and profit loss account and balance sheet without adjustments. I am giving one for illustration with solution for your easy understanding. Firstly, let us see the illustration. The following is the trial balance extracted from the books of Mr. Shekhar as on 31st December 2019. Particulars amount or particulars debtors, particulars creditors. First let us see the debtors. Salaries and wages 5,000, purchases 2,10,000, freight and clearing charges 8,000, legal and account writing charges 3,000, sales returns 11,000, cash balance 11,000, opening stock on 1/1/2019 16,000, advertisement 2,000, land and buildings 1,80,000, machinery 60,000, investments 6,000, drawings 5,500, sundry debtors 50,000, bills receivable 12,000. Now credit balances: capital 2,25,000, discount received 1,300, sales 3,10,000, purchase returns 5,000, sundry creditors 17,000, bank OD 5,000, bills payable 2,000, loan 12,500, income for investment 1,700. One correction on the debit side: opening stock date is 1/1/2019. 80 I cut. Okay. Prepare closing stock on 31/12/2019 rupees 40,000. Prepare trading and profit loss account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2019. Now let us see the solution. Firstly, you have to prepare trading and profit loss account in the combined form. First, you give the title Trading and Profit Loss Account of Shekhar for the year ended 31st December 2019. Now, this account is to be divided into two sides. Left side is debit side, right side credit side. Debit side particulars column rupees, credit side also particulars column rupees. Now, on the debit side, all the trading account items are entered. Opening stock, then purchases, from purchase returns are deducted, then freight and clearing charges. Then on the credit side, sales is entered, sales returns is deducted from that. Closing stock as given in the adjustment is entered. Then the gross profit is found out by the difference between debit total and credit total, which is 1,10,000. That is entered on the debit side of trading account as to gross profit C/D transferred to profit and loss account. Now this gross profit is brought down to profit and loss account credit side as by gross profit brought down, that is transferred from trading account 1,10,000. Then other incomes by discount received, then by income from investments are returned. Then on the debit side, all the expenses such as legal and accounting charges, advertisement, salaries and wages are returned. Then the net profit is found out by the difference between debit and credit totals, which works out to 1,03,000. That is entered on the debit side of profit loss account as to net profit transferred to capital account. Now profit loss account is closed. Now let us see the preparation of balance sheet. Now the balance sheet title is given as Balance sheet of Shekhar as on 31st December 2019. Balance sheet divided into two sides. Left side is called liability side, right side asset side. On the liability side, first item entered is capital. To this capital, net profit as found out by profit and loss account is entered. Then drawings as given in the trial balance is deducted. Then bank overdraft is written. Then loan account is written. Then sundry creditors given. Then bills payable. On the asset side, land and buildings, machinery, investments, cash balance, sundry creditors, sundry debtors, closing stock, bills receivable are entered. Then both sides are total. The total must be equal. Then only our problem is correct. I am giving you a detailed note which you may go through. guidance. Illustration solution is given separately. Steps to be followed are given one by one. In my next class, எல்லாம் வந்துச்சா இந்த பேஜ்